Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Instacart account detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Instacart account, start by opening the Instacart app or website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Input your email address carefully and submit the form. Check your inbox for an email from Instacart. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password by re-entering it. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the login button to access your account. If you still can't access your account, return to the login page. Click on Need Help Signing In, which is usually located below the login fields. Follow the prompts to get assistance from Instacart's customer support. Provide any necessary information requested to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive further instructions. Follow those instructions carefully to regain access to your account. If you experience any persistent issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer service directly. You may need to provide additional information for further assistance. With these steps, you should be able to recover your Instacart account successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.